Good evening students, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to discuss regarding calculation of interest on drawings when drawings of equal amounts are made in the beginning of each quarter. Okay, so how many quarters are there in an accounting year? There are 4 quarters, yes or no? If the accounting year starts from 1st April, then it is from 1st April till 30th June, okay, that is 3 months. Then from 1st July till 30 September, 1st October till 31st December, and from 1st January till 31st of March. Okay, and if the accounting year begins from 1st of Jan, then 1st Jan to March, then April to June, then July to September, and then from October till December. Okay, so there are 4 quarters, okay, of 3 months each. Now here you have been asked to calculate interest on drawings when drawings of equal amounts are made in the beginning of each quarter. Okay, so in the beginning of each and every quarter, the drawings, okay, of equal amounts are made. So here what is the required items, okay, in order to calculate the interest on drawings? It is the total amount of drawings, okay, then rate of interest, then it is average period. Okay, now, okay, here average period, okay, total amount of drawings you can obtain, okay, rate of interest will be given in the question. You just have to take out the average period. Okay, so what is the formula? Time left after first drawings, okay, so time left after first drawings will be 12 months, okay, because the first drawing is made on 1st of April. So from 1st of April till 31st of March, year ending, is 12 months, plus time left after last drawings. So last drawings is made on 1st of Jan. So 1st of Jan till 31st of March, it is 3 months divided by 2. Okay, when you solve it, okay, you will get 7.5 months. Okay, so this is the formula. Now you see there is an illustration, okay, where you have to calculate interest on drawings. Okay, rate of interest is given 12% per annum, okay, and he withdrew rupees 6,000 in the beginning of each quarter. So you have to calculate interest on drawings. So what is the total amount of drawings? Okay, 6,000 into 4. Okay, there are 4 quarters, yes or no? So 6,000 into 4, it is 24,000. Rate of interest is 12% per annum, and average period as it is calculated 7.5 months. Okay, so when you put it in the formula, you will get 1800 as the interest on drawings. So hope you have understood this sum. If you like my video, please students subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.